you cannot use the iOS. If you want to build app in iOS, so we have another folder, another image. Here is the status bar. We can check. Look at here. We have a view JSON. All that is the file. How these files come here? Go through the documentation. It is very useful. We have a different type of navigation version. If you want to work with different navigation version, for example, if you go with fourth version, so it is not in a developing mode. Look at here, 6 point something. Yeah, actually a specific version of React navigation. Okay.